This is Paul, one of the creators of trashbuddy.
And I'm Hilson, one of the creators of trashbuddy.
So there's a total of 4 of us, but only 2 of us are doing this video because the other 2 are busy right now. So the application trashbuddy notifies homeowners in Orlando when they need to take out their trash, or it reminds them to take out their trash. Our target audience, of course, is only homeowners in Orlando. They have to own a house.
A residential home.
Correct. So we're gonna do a little demo here. I'm gonna log in with Twitter. There I am. So we can search an address. Say I live in Federal Street. And tells me Monday and Tuesday is when the residential garbage comes around, and then recycling comes on Wednesday. So now if I put on a number here to get notified at, and then I can set, we gave the user the ability to set the hours, so for the testing purposes we're gonna do right now. So let's see, about
142.
Yeah, 142 will be fine. And today is Wednesday. So we hit that. The only problem with this is that the user does not get notified if the save went through, if the save went through. But we can add that functionality later on. It needs to fix. Also, you can't cancel it right now, but it does work. You can log in with Facebook as well, or our own little join us system. That's pretty much it. If we take a look at the code, there's that.
So first we have a function that basically grabs our address for us. It formats it into the required format, which we have uppercase. We uppercase each letter in the address and we add it to a string variable.
And then with that, we can then
we do an AJAX call right here, and we're passing in this address which we typed in to get the X and Y coordinates which we have right down there.
And then we get, since the API does not return JSON, we had to get in HTML format, passing in those X and Y coordinates that we got back from the last AJAX call. We had to run that in our own little server that we have mapped to this domain, and then that came back as HTML, and then we parsed through the HTML to get an object ID. Then
so to get the schedule, we just use that object ID and did another get request, a post request, yeah, and we pass in that data into that URL.
The URL, right? And then we're dynamically displaying the values,
yeah,
to HTML.
To HTML. Yep.
After that is done, we hit the save button. This is the part I did. Yeah, it gets the values that the user inputted, and then for the functionality that we need, we have to map a string to the corresponding number. So we do that here for the day of the week, and then we once again use our server to make a cron job. So it runs every so often, every day that you want, every hour, and then you pass in that phone number as well. So there's actually 3 scripts in the server that we that we have.
Go into
Message. We come here, come in. Oh, like it didn't. You put number there.
I think I did.
Okay. Okay, so we did get the message, however, we got it in our phone, not in our computer. Or we can show that. Open the message there. Oh, this is weird.
Right here. So we have, scroll down, we have,
There's a message.
there's a message.
We did a bunch of tests, but the time is right, 1:42 p.m. today.
Yep.
There you go. And the code. Yeah.
The cron job.
Right. Where is it? No, those are actually in the server.
Yeah, those are on the server. You have to log in into it.
Right. So,
So we're just going into the folder that we have the cron jobs in right now.
So the first one that I'm going to show is the one that returns HTML, which is
Get
URL. This one gets the HTML back, and then it creates it. See, here we're getting the X and Y coordinates. Then we're using a curl to actually do the call that returns HTML back. Then we parse it into an object, a JSON object, and then we're returning that back. That's that. And then now the other two, one is in here, another PHP, and here it is. We get that day, hour, minute from that URL, and then we get whatever is in the cron job, and then we add the one that we just want to add. The user just added, and then we run that. The script runs, and we input. It accepts one argument, which is the phone number. So we throw a cat on the send message. There it is. It's returning the variable here, and it's going to do a curl to this website, which is how we're sending messages. Going to put in the phone number here, and the message is pretty much the same every time. And that's pretty much it.
So yeah, so this is our application in a nutshell, and we hope you like what you've seen. And if you did, you can contact Paul or myself.
We could improve some stuff and get in a real server, because this is running in our machines. We use MongoDB, Node.js,
Express, Mongoose, Passport.js.
Yep, a whole bunch of stuff to make it work. It was really interesting, and we're really happy that it
turned
worked.
out. Yeah,
turned out well, and we're gonna expand on it. So.